Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe Suno AI. If you signed up for a paid plan and now want to stop future charges, this guide will show you the simple steps to cancel it the right way. If you've decided it's time to stop paying for Suno AI, the process is quick once you know where to look. The key idea is that you cancel from your account's billing settings. When you do, it stops future payments, and you usually keep full access until your current billing period ends. So, you are not normally losing access the second you cancel. You are simply stopping the next renewal from happening. Start by signing into the Suno AI website with the account that has the active subscription. It's important to use the correct login, especially if you've tried the service with more than one email. Once you're in, head to your account area, click your profile picture or user icon, then open Settings or look for a link labeled Manage Subscription. If you are not seeing your paid plan, double-check that you are using the same email address you used when you first subscribed. Different layouts can use slightly different wording, but they all take you to the same place. Inside Settings, navigate to the Billing section. You might see it called Subscription, Manage Plan, or Billing Settings. Open that page and you'll find the controls for your current plan. This is where you'll make the actual change. Take a moment to review the plan name, renewal date, and billing details so you know you are canceling the correct subscription. Next, find the option to end the plan. It may say Cancel Plan or Unsubscribe. Click that. Suno may show a short survey asking why you're leaving, and you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation. Read the prompt carefully, then complete the confirmation so the request is finalized. Until you see confirmation on screen, your subscription may still be active. This is important because simply closing the page or clicking back may not complete the cancellation. After you cancel, check your email inbox for a message from Suno. This confirmation should state that your subscription has been canceled and show the date your billing period ends. Keep this email for your records because it's your proof of cancellation and a handy reference for when your paid access will stop. If you do not see the email right away, check your spam, promotions, or updates folder, because billing emails sometimes land there. A few helpful notes. You usually keep access until your billing cycle ends. For example, if you paid on May 1st and cancel on May 10th, you'll typically continue to have paid features until the next renewal date. Your songs generally remain in your library after you cancel, so your work is not instantly removed. Still, it is smart to download any important songs, stems, or files you may want to keep for future projects. In many cases, your account will simply move to the free plan after the end date, letting you keep using the service with free tier limits. If you originally subscribed through a mobile app store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel from that store's subscription settings instead of the Suno website. Follow the store's standard cancellation flow there. This matters because Apple and Google manage their own subscriptions, so canceling inside Suno may not stop a mobile app store subscription. That's it. Follow these steps, save your confirmation email, and you're all set. Before you leave, it is also a good idea to check your billing page one last time and make sure the plan shows as canceled, so you know there will be no surprise renewal later.